Welcome to another installment of Mixing with the Geek. This time around I created a new drink inspired by our episode on Arcade Fire. I call it the Flaming Canadian Waffle. So we're gonna build this drink right into the cocktail shaker. We'll start by adding 1.5 ounces of Canadian whiskey. The brand you use doesn't really matter. I'm using an old bottle of Canadian Club here. It's from it has a tax stamp from 1962, kind of crazy, huh? Next we'll add 1 ounce of maple syrup. Be sure to buy the real stuff. Now we add 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice. I'm using Meyer lemons from my tree in my backyard. And finally, 1/2 ounce of spiced apple cider. Now we're gonna fill the shaker with ice, and we're gonna cap it and shake until we get a nice frost around the outside. And we're gonna pour it unstrained into a chimney glass. Now, we're gonna take that spent lemon shell, place it at the top. You can use the whiskey that you used in the rest of the drink. However, it's not gonna create a big enough flame for our dramatic purposes. So I'm gonna cheat a little bit and use some Lemon Heart 151 here. And just fill that in there. Now be sure to use extreme caution when lighting this. Ah, there it goes. Rise, rise. So I'm gonna blow this out. All right, grab a straw, put the rest of that in there. Now we got a nice little float. This looks good. Ooh, hoo-hoo. Cheers, you guys. And that is the Flaming Canadian Waffle. I just love this drink. It's got a nice, warm, mellow vibe about it. It really allows you to reflect on the day. Well, I hope you enjoyed our episode on Arcade Fire, and I hope you enjoyed this drink. I am your Vinyl Geek, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side. One more for the road.